Hello everyone, this is Vasila Radhakisun from Mauritius. I'm a writer, poet, and an artist. As from the year 2018, I organize International Dylan Thomas Day on my blog and I invite writers and artists to submit their works to be published on my blog on this special day. Each year, International Dylan Thomas Day is celebrated on the 14th of May. This year marks the 70th anniversary of the popular play by Dylan Thomas entitled Under Milkwood. So I've written a poem to pay a tribute to the main character of the play, that is Captain Cat. My poem consists of a dream within a dream. So in the poem, the speaker dreams that he cannot sleep. So when he cannot sleep, he daydreams. Then finally he falls asleep and dream. So here it goes. Tribute to Captain Cat for the 70th anniversary of Under Milkwood. Voices enclosed amidst the misty abstract and the grounded obvious echo memories of the sea voyages, shaping some life wrinkles, yet leaving some unique shades of innocence. Sweet mermaid songs summon me to sleep night, but under such moony rosy cheeks, how can I, even in that free space where monotonous routine cannot even hug the monkey shadows, I wander around the insomniac soul. Oh dear, what do I hear? It grows, the sound deepens, a huge hyphen, the blank, the void. The weeping and wailing of the woman, hiding the pink love letter in her bosom, hair unkempt, gazing at the stars, index finger resting on the lips, then shakily whispering, "Oh love, where are you? Gone, oh waves, bring him back." Now the miracle manifests, fades the lament. At last I can close my eyes. O neighborhood, you wake up now? Tea fumes caress the ethereal of my whole being. I'm safe here. Please turn the wheel over there as you wish it to be, as time sings the request. Thank you very much for listening and take care. Bye bye.